Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the row you want to change. Click its row number on the left. Once highlighted, Excel knows your target. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Shift plus space to select the active row immediately. Make sure the entire row is shaded. That visual cue prevents accidental edits to a single cell. Once done, you're ready to set the exact height or perform row-level actions. Don't skip this. Correct selection keeps changes precise and reversible. With the row selected, right-click and choose Row Height to open the exact control. This is the precise way to change row size. Alternatively, go Home, click Format, then Row Height on the ribbon. Both routes reach the same dialog. You'll see a numeric field that accepts points. Type the desired value, for example 18 or 24, then press Enter or click OK. Once you enter the number, Excel applies it uniformly across the selected row, ensuring consistent spacing. After setting the height, inspect cell content to confirm it fits as intended. If text still looks clipped, make sure wrap text isn't off or that merged cells aren't forcing a different size. Adjust those settings and reapply row height. You can also use Format Auto Fit Row Height to let Excel size the row to its contents automatically. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl plus Z to undo and try a different point value. That troubleshooting step quickly restores the sheet and lets you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.